Okay, here's the English version of the comprehensive article about Update Automation Bangladesh, incorporating all the information you've provided. Update Automation Bangladesh, a unique Bangladeshi innovation, pioneering global knowledge-based services. Update Automation Bangladesh is more than just a technology company. It's a shining example of Bangladesh's engineering prowess and innovative spirit. Under the visionary leadership of Mr. Mizanur Rahman Mizu, fueled by 2 decades of experience and a groundbreaking business model, this institution is taking industrial automation and machine design to an international level. It stands as Bangladesh's sole company, offering world-class automation machine design, project development, and specialized training for international students. The genesis, from watcher to king, a dream realized. The inspiring story of Update Automation Bangladesh begins in 2007. While working as an assistant engineer in a mechanical wristwatch company, Mr. Mizanur Rahman Mizu observed a significant disparity in respect and remuneration between Bangladeshi engineers and their foreign counterparts, Chinese, Taiwanese, or even those from neighboring countries, Pakistani, Indian. He noticed that foreign experts often limited themselves to their specific devices and were reluctant to adopt locally available solutions. Furthermore, their designs were frequently disconnected from the operators, making quick local solutions difficult to find. This disparity and the underappreciation of local talent deeply impacted Mr. Mizu. He realized he needed to offer something beyond conventional skills, something unique that would elevate Bangladesh's standing. He also noted that while machine designers sold their designs and software as a significant part of the product's cost, the actual value of a device's design could multiply if it were user-friendly. However, in Bangladesh, he saw engineers receiving only 30 to 40% of the product's total value for their design expertise, a meager amount that incentivized shortcut solutions. This often led to shoddy designs, quick-fix approaches, or even design copying. Such cheap engineering, while seemingly saving immediate costs, left owners and operators without a clear future vision for machine improvement. These insights ignited a new path for him. Mr. Mizu decided to focus on a design methodology that would not only be superior, but also make systems permanent, secure, and difficult to bypass. His nearly 2 decades of experience in solving challenges across hundreds of machines, extensive knowledge of thousands of products, and hands-on involvement in complex mechanical and electrical tasks made him uniquely qualified to build Update Automation Bangladesh. This venture isn't just a business, it's a bold step towards re-establishing the dignity of Bangladeshi engineering talent. What they do now, from knowledge to global solutions, Update Automation Bangladesh is currently active on multiple fronts, establishing its global presence and revenue streams. 1. World-class machine design and project development. They are creating state-of-the-art automation machine designs and integration solutions for international clients. These machines are designed and built to stringent global standards like ISO, IEC, UL, and CE, ensuring their marketability worldwide. Their services include expertise in PLCs, Siemens, Rockwell, Schneider HMI, industrial networking, OPC-UA, MQTT, Profinet, robotics, KUKA, Fanuc, IIoT and cloud integration, AWS IoT, Azure IoT, Google Cloud IoT, machine vision, and AI/ML applications. They offer comprehensive solutions, not just designs. 2. Innovative knowledge selling model via YouTube. Mr. Mizu's YouTube channel, Mizu, is a significant source of their recognition and revenue. The channel has published over 1,000 videos, covering complex automation solutions, including servo drive usage and repair. These videos, primarily in Bengali, benefit a vast audience in Bangladesh. Leveraging this reach, they sell 5 specialized digital services priced from $10 to $150. This generates thousands of dollars in revenue via direct bank transfers. 3. Training for international students. Update Automation Bangladesh is arguably the only institution in Bangladesh offering specialized automation machine design and project training programs for international students. These courses are conducted in various international languages, primarily English, and are sold as subscription-based series through live recordings on the TIA platform. This marks a pioneering effort within Bangladesh. Future vision, globalization of talent and sustainable value. Update Automation's future plans are ambitious and hold far-reaching implications for Bangladesh. Global leadership. Their goal isn't just to be the sole service provider in Bangladesh, but to lead the world in international automation, machine design, and project development. They aim to sell their machines and automation solutions globally, further strengthening the Made in Bangladesh brand. Specialized product offerings. They plan to specifically target machine manufacturers, selling smart electrical panels with digital software and operating interfaces for their products. This addresses a critical gap observed by Mr. Mizu, where foreign experts are often reluctant to integrate locally available components. Update Automation will bridge this gap by providing solutions that are globally compliant, yet practically adaptable. Talent globalization. A key objective is to leverage Mr. Mizu's 2 decades of invaluable experience and knowledge, from thousands of solutions to train Bangladeshi personnel to world-class standards. This will elevate Bangladeshi engineers from mere watchers to kings in the global arena. Expanding YouTube's global reach. By producing videos in multiple languages, the Mizu YouTube channel will further engage international subscribers. The diverse range of brands covered in their videos ensures comprehensive problem-solving for all users. This initiative demonstrates that geography, nationality, or age are no barriers to selling knowledge. It creates an opportunity for individuals to command fair value for their expertise without resorting to traditional begging, thereby simplifying international living. Mr. Mizanur Rahman Mizu's foresight and Update Automation Bangladesh's remarkable success have opened new horizons for Bangladesh. They've proven that with determination, high standards, and innovation, a Bangladeshi company can lead on the world stage. Their journey not only drives technological advancement, but also significantly enhances the brand value of Made in Bangladesh products. This sets a new standard for customer satisfaction and engineering excellence, powered by genuine knowledge, attracting the attention of international companies. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to Mr. Mizanur Rahman Mizu and Update Automation Bangladesh for their historic achievements and wish them the best in all their future projects and endeavors. Their relentless efforts will continue to enrich Bangladesh's engineering sector and bring pride to the nation on the international stage.